we are playing Gmod. If you didn't know, if you just started watching the video randomly. Okay. We are going to be trying to build and survive tornadoes, which I don't even think we're going to be surviving it because these tornadoes are extremely strong. And yes, I have updated them. And they are pretty bad and furious and yeah. Yeah, they're gonna kill us. Well, we can try to survive, but it's probably not gonna work. Not at all. I mean, not as I think of it. This might take a long time to load. I don't know why it's taking this long. Got some bloopers in my Stickman series. I played like almost all of them, and I'm going to be. Ooh, this is laggy. Uh-oh. Game crash? Oh no. Okay. So laggy. Oh jeez. What's happening? Ah! Okay. Just try to build something, obviously. I was thinking like some sort of dome design. Let's start with fences, and I think we can make it like a tornado-proof protection. Oops. Doof. Okay. I honestly think that this is no longer going to be handled. Like, this is the last thing that's ever going to happen to this. And I was thinking that we could create like some sort of, like I said, so I'm thinking this might take a little bit to load. The tornadoes don't usually spawn randomly. I have to spawn them in using my special tornado gun. See, let's just, if you guys haven't watched my old video, I'll show you the tornado. Okay. I don't know what tornado this is, but see this tool gun? I left click it, and then a tornado spawns in, and it is swirling up. It's swirling up. Okay, I don't even have a roof yet. Oh, let me down. Oh jeez, my fence, it's breaking. It's breaking. No, I'm in the twister. Ah. Oh, look, there goes one of my fences. No. How dare you? Oh, there it goes. I just undid it. Just undid the tornado. Okay, let's fix this. Come on. Ah. Dang it. Stinking tornado. I think that was like an EF3. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna die. Tornado's too powerful. We'll start from EF1 to EF5. If you guys don't know what that is, and EF0 does the least damage, and the EF5 does the most. The EF1 does, I think, no, that's EF0, and EF0 does 65 miles per hour to 82, and EF1 does 82 to 102. EF2 does 102 to 130, and EF3 does 130 to 160. EF4 does 160 to 180, and EF5 does 200 to 300. I know, it's crazy, right? So let's... I don't even know how we're going to survive in this, guys, but it looks so derpy. Screenshot. I'm going to take before and after pictures. How do I get in this? Got to make a doorway. I'm just going to fly in. Okay, guys, let's start from the EF1, because I don't have an EF0 yet. See, my old house is there. I think this is the EF1. Okay, let's spawn this in. This might be the EF2. Let's see. Oh, the sky's rolling up. There it goes. It's touching down. There's the funnel. Oh, yeah, let's get inside. Come on. Oh, my gosh. I'm getting stuck in the corner. Oh, jeez, it's right there. Oh, my I'm trying to move as much as I can. The tornado is. Oh, jeez, it's sucking me in. No. Darn you, tornado! It's right there. Is it? Okay, I'm just gonna undo it. Jesus. Okay, let's do another one. EF2. Oh, guys, I do have an EF0. Farmnado, I like to call it. Sorry there's no sound to these tornadoes. I wish there was, but I don't know how to do the audio yet. Okay, it's right there. Oh, jeez. It's lifting me. Oh, it's lifting me. Oh, it's lifting me. No. How is an EF0 lifting me? That's not even possible in real life. Okay, EF2 for the win. Have to find it first. Okay, this might be a little bad. Computer, oh, jeez. Oh gosh, get inside. Oh, it's brewing to my house. No. Oh, they're going. No. I took. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna twist it. Oh, guys, no. Oh, I'm dead. On EF2, I died. I think it lifted off part of my roof and I went flying. Let's see that.
Sorry, I messed it up the first time.
Yeah, it did. Right here, there used to be a panel. Where is it? Oh well. I don't want to do glass though, because that would shatter. I was thinking that like I wanted it to be like a dome design, so I wouldn't die whenever I came out of it, like that. Okay, now we're on EF3. The EF3s look so stinking cool. Like they die down to like an EF2. I'm pretty sure. They just look so stinking cool when they die. Here, this is a new one. I'm pretty sure. Okay. Oh. It's on top of my. Oh, guys, no. Oh, geez, look, it's ripping. Look, one of them is shaking around a little bit. Oh, geez, has it died to an EF2 yet? Oh no! There's a hole. No, it's seeping. Oh, the tornado. Oh, jeez, no. I'm trying to get away. No! Oh my gosh. Okay, it's an EF2 now. Look at that sucker. Oh, there's lightning. Oh, jeez. Seems I see a piece of debris flying around. See it? Oh, jeez. Okay, I'll stop. Looks like it hacksawed something. Oh, jeez. Oh, it's gone. Oh, it didn't really do much damage to it as I thought it would. I mean, you got a loose piece. One of the places that I put in. Think we can survive with this? Okay, now we're on the EF4. These EF4s are so laggy on my computer. They look very cool though. Oh no. Look at that. This is so laggy. Okay, I'm gonna skip the EF4. It's too laggy for my computer. Well, not for my computer because of QuickTime Player. That's probably why. Now we're on to the EF5, the most powerful tornado in the world. I think I should spawn this. This is gonna rip my house apart. Hey guys, I am back. Sorry, but my EF5 wasn't working. I fixed it. Let's go ahead and spawn. Okay, wait. This is gonna rip my house apart, guys. It's getting dark. Oh. Okay, guys, this starts from an EF1 to an EF5. I'm pretty sure I showed this to you guys in the older version. Holy cow! Okay. Oh, jeez. I'm gonna spawn in a chair and try to sit in it. I'm gonna get pulled away, guys. It's growing. My office chair is gone. Whoa. Okay, guys, it's an EF3 now. Oh no, that's an EF4. Get in. Oh, jeez. Holy cow. Oh, I am in the twister. I'm up, and I'm down, Oh, I think it's a EF. I don't know what this is. I'm trying to get out of it. I can't even see. Oh, holy cow. Oh, jeez, it's gonna smash my house. No. Come on, you can make it. Oh, one of my walls is off. Come on. Oh, it's in here. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez, my house. My house is not looking too good. Oh. Okay, I just disabled the tornado. Well, I didn't really let it take its full force, so it kind of split in two. Here's my other wall. Looks like two of my tiles disappeared in the tornado. Is that one of them over there? No, it's just grass. Okay, guys, now the part of the thing where we replicate everything. Okay, let's do it. This doesn't sound too good, doesn't it, guys? Alright. I'll see you guys next time. And, well, oh no! Oh, jeez. Oh. Okay, guys. Okay. I don't care about this anymore. Kill it. Let's do it. Oh my gosh. Oh. Alright, guys. I will see you next episode of, not episode, but, if I can get out of this. Which I can, so I'm just about, I have a schedule. I'm making a new video. Oh no.